Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cordless ratchet is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any mechanic's arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into this amazing tool, exploring its features, and putting it to the test. If you're tired of the endless ratcheting by hand, or simply looking to upgrade your tool collection, then you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision, so stick around. Number 5. Makita XRW01Z18V Cordless Ratchet. Introducing the Makita XRW01Z, a powerful cordless ratchet. It features interchangeable anvils, offering flexibility for various tasks. This ratchet comes with both 3/8 and 1/4 square drive options. This allows it to handle a wide range of fastening needs. The powerful motor delivers up to 35 lbs of max torque. It ensures efficient and effective performance for demanding jobs. With variable speed from 0 to 800 revolutions per minute, you can adjust the speed to match the application. This feature enhances control and precision. The electric brake increases productivity by stopping the tool quickly. This feature enhances safety and efficiency on the job. You can also use it as a manual ratchet when the motor is not engaged. This provides added convenience and versatility. What we like. This ratchet features interchangeable anvils, offering flexibility for various tasks. It also delivers a powerful torque, making it ideal for tough jobs. If you're looking for a tool that can handle a wide range of fastening applications with ease, you should consider this one. What people say. Works well, plenty of torque for my needs. And I can use all my Makita batteries. Great little impact wrench for work in tight places where you cannot get access with a gun-type impact wrench. The tool helps make the job go a lot faster. The drive will not break fasteners free by itself, but you can manually break them using the tool, then use the drive to fully remove them quickly. I used the power drive to install the fasteners quickly, then switched to a torque wrench to finish them off. Overall saves a lot of time and wrenching. Number 4. Makita RW01R112V Max CXT Ratchet Kit. Introducing the Makita RW01R1 Ratchet Kit. This tool is designed for versatility and power, making it a great addition to any toolbox. It's compact, efficient, and ready to tackle a variety of tasks. The kit features interchangeable 3/8 and 1/4-inch anvils. This allows it to adapt to different needs. This feature enhances its usability across various applications. The powerful motor delivers up to 35 lbs of max torque. This ensures that it can handle tough jobs with ease. It provides the necessary power to get the job done efficiently. With a variable speed of 0 to 800 revolutions per minute, it offers precise control. This allows the user to adjust the speed to match the application. This feature enhances control and precision. It includes an electric brake for increased productivity. It can also be used as a manual ratchet when the motor is not engaged. This provides flexibility and convenience. Powered by a 12V Max CXT battery, it offers reliable performance. This ensures that it can handle demanding tasks. It's a compact and powerful solution for various fastening needs. What we like. This ratchet boasts a compact 12V design, perfect for tight spaces. It maintains the interchangeable anvils for versatility and delivers impressive torque. If you work in confined areas or need a lightweight yet powerful tool, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a dual anvil feature. Smaller diameter girth, the head of the tool is also smaller, lighter, brighter light, dual anvil for 3/8 and 1/4, and it spins at almost 4 times higher RPM than my residential brand one does. Having the 3/8 and 1/4 anvils is a nice touch also. Number 3. Makita RW01Z12V Max CXT Cordless Ratchet. This is the Makita RW01Z, a cordless ratchet designed for versatility. It features interchangeable anvils, allowing it to handle various fastening tasks. The RW01Z boasts a powerful motor, delivering up to 35 lbs of max torque. This allows it to tackle tough jobs with ease. With a variable speed of 0 to 800 revolutions per minute, it provides precise control for a wide range of applications. You can adjust the speed to match the task at hand. The electric brake on this ratchet increases productivity. It quickly stops the tool, saving you time and effort. Even without the motor engaged, it can be used as a manual ratchet. This gives you flexibility in different situations. What we like. This ratchet features interchangeable anvils, offering flexibility for various tasks. It also delivers a powerful torque, making it ideal for tough jobs. If you're looking for a tool that can handle a wide range of fastening applications with ease, you should consider this one. What people say. I like how you can use 1.4 or 3.8 on it. The speed. Words really cannot describe really how fast this thing is. At a no-load RPM of 800 this bad boy screams. I have not seen a cordless ratchet move this fast. It makes life much easier to drive bolts in. Number 2. Makita XRW01SR118V Cordless Ratchet Kit. Introducing the Makita XRW01SR1, a cordless ratchet kit designed for versatility. It features interchangeable anvils, allowing it to handle various tasks with ease. This ratchet kit comes with both 3/8 and 1/4-inch anvils. This feature allows the user to switch between sizes quickly, making the tool adaptable for different projects. The powerful motor delivers up to 35 lbs of max torque. It provides the necessary power to tackle tough fastening applications, making the job easier and faster. With a variable speed of 0 to 800 revolutions per minute, it offers precise control. This feature allows the user to adjust the speed to match the specific needs of the task at hand. It includes an electric brake for increased productivity. The brake quickly stops the tool, enhancing safety and efficiency on the job. It can also be used as a manual ratchet when the motor is not engaged. This provides flexibility and control, even when power is not needed. What we like. This ratchet features interchangeable anvils, offering flexibility for various tasks. It also delivers a powerful torque, making it ideal for tough jobs. If you're looking for a tool that can handle a wide range of fastening applications with ease, you should consider this one. What people say. The ratchet is compact and easy to use in tight spaces. The variable speed trigger is a nice feature for controlling the speed. The LED light is bright and helpful in low-light situations. Number 1. Makita XT269M18V Cordless Combo Kit with Ratchet. Introducing the Makita XT269M Combo Kit. This kit is designed for maximum efficiency, allowing you to get more done with each charge. It's the perfect addition to any toolbox. The kit features an efficient BL brushless motor. This technology optimizes battery energy use, providing up to 50% longer run time. The motor runs cooler and more efficiently, extending its lifespan. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes. This design allows it to run cooler and more efficiently. That means you can work longer without needing to recharge. The included ratchet offers interchangeable 3/8 and 1/4 anvils. This feature provides added versatility for various tasks. It's a tool that adapts to your needs. The Makita XT269M delivers impressive power. The motor provides up to 35 lbs of max torque. It's a powerful tool that gets the job done. What we like. This kit includes a brushless motor, enhancing efficiency and extending runtime. The combo kit offers added value with multiple tools. If you value longer run times and need a complete set of tools for your projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The ratchet is compact and easy to use in tight spaces. The variable speed trigger is a great feature for controlling the speed of the ratchet. The LED light is very helpful when working in dark areas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.